As a saffron merchant, I often get asked, what's the easiest way to use saffron? Especially when you want to use it for its medicinal purposes. Things like helping with PMS symptoms, macular degeneration, ADHD, people who are going through cancer therapies, for managing Alzheimer, for depression, anxiety, people who feel stress. In this short video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can make your saffron and drink it all day long without actually destroying the very chemicals that are beneficial for you. This is room temperature water. I've just added a pinch of saffron, which is no more than 50 milligrams. That's to pinch. That's all you need per day, really. I've added a couple of mint leaves, a couple of slices of cucumber, and a couple of slices of lime. These are high in vitamin C, and it helps your body to alkaline. So I put everything in my bottle. Just give it about 10 or 15 minutes. The saffron will release its goodness into the water. The cucumber, the mint, and the lime will release their flavors into the water. You can keep it in the fridge afterwards and drink it throughout the day, little by little, or however you like it. Put it in your water bottle, take it to work. All you have to do is use room temperature water. I use also filtered water so it doesn't have any chlorine in it. And this will basically help you with a whole host of things, including helping your body to produce extra serotonin so you feel a little bit happier. And at nighttime, if you're having issue with sleeping, all that serotonin changes into melatonin so you can sleep better at nighttime. And for the people who often ask, can I eat the saffron that's in the water? Yes, you can. It's actually doesn't taste bad, it doesn't taste good, it's quite neutral. But it has a beautiful texture under your teeth if you just give it a bite. Can I do it without the lemon, lime, mint, cucumber, all that sort of stuff? Of course you can. It's your drinking water. Put whatever you like in there. As long as you got a pinch of saffron in there, that's all it takes. You can just have pure water, pinch of saffron, and go for it. Drink it all day long. If you have any questions regarding saffron, anything at all, please send us a direct message and we will make a short video answering your questions. Please like and follow. We really appreciate your support. Thank you.